Totallee cases for the iPhone 14 series of phones. I want to give a shout out to Totallee for sending these over. Let's get into it. We have a screen protector here. Check out the QR code for you to scan for instructions on how to install the screen protector. Have a look at this. We'll put that to the side for now. And then let's open this up. We have an installation process here. Cleaning cloth and alcohol prep pad. We'll take a look at the item itself. And this is your glass screen protector. Let's put it on. Well, that went on nice and smooth. Now let's take a look at their cases. A slim and minimal phone case, 1% to charity, 2-year warranty, 100% recyclable case, TotalleeCase.com. Definitely check them out. And this is their clear case, which honestly, I think this is my favorite case from the Totallee lineup. Look at how clear this is. You can see my hand right through it. Nice and straightforward install. The case has a lot of grip. You can still clearly see the iPhone 14 Pro Max in this beautiful purple. So if you're into clear cases, definitely recommend this one. Access to the alert switch, easily accessible. We'll take a close look at the front lip. Let's take a look at the next case. This should go with a purple phone nicely. Let's put it on. From the front, you cannot even tell you have a case on your phone. Now, don't expect any drop protection with these. I'm gonna flip the phone over, and I have to say, this looks very nice. We'll take a look at the camera cutout. Houses your camera lenses nicely. You have your button cutouts. Cutouts on the bottom. Cutouts for the volume and access to the switch. No issues. Let's have a look at the next case. Now this one is pretty cool. Frosted clear thin case. Let's put the phone on. You cannot tell that you even have a case on your iPhone. Do not expect a front lip with this. This is minimal protection. We'll flip the phone over. Gives your device that nice frosted look. So these are super thin cases by Totallee. If you're interested, I'll have links in the description down below. And once again, shout out to Totallee for sending these awesome cases over. Thanks for watching. Peace out.